Windows 11. Task Manager explained. Is your Windows 11 PC slow, frozen, or overheating? Don't panic. There's a powerful built-in tool that can instantly tell you what's wrong. Task Manager. What is Task Manager? Task Manager is a default Windows 11 tool that shows what's running on your computer in real time. It helps you monitor performance, close frozen apps, and control startup programs. How to open Task Manager. To open Task Manager, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, or right-click the Start button and choose Task Manager. Processes tab. In the Processes tab, you can see all running apps and background processes. CPU, memory, disk, and network usage are shown clearly. If an app is not responding, select it and click End Task. Performance tab. The Performance tab shows your system's health. Here you can monitor CPU speed, RAM usage, disk activity, and network performance in real time. Perfect for finding performance problems. Startup Apps tab. In Windows 11, Task Manager controls startup apps. Apps marked as Enable start with Windows. Disabling unnecessary apps can significantly speed up boot time. Users tab. The Users tab shows which users are logged in and how much system resources they're using. Details and Services tabs. The Details tab is for advanced users, showing detailed process information. The Services tab helps manage Windows services directly from Task Manager. When should you use Task Manager? Use Task Manager when your PC is slow, an app is frozen, or you want to improve startup speed. Safety tip. Only end tasks you recognize. Stopping critical system processes can cause system instability. Task Manager is simple, powerful, and already inside your PC. Like and follow for more. Windows 11 tips and tricks.